Welcome, Panda-Frog here. I was a little busy lately and didn't feel too good. Some part of this corona stuff, and I'm getting some help, so I'm getting better. So I received this package a while, like a week, like 1.5 weeks ago, and I didn't really feel opening it yet. So I'm really looking forward to this one. Of course, I peeked inside. And this is my winnings from Starry. And he made this amazing giveaway, Starry's Posse. Check out his channel because he's doing an amazing thing for all the new channels every Monday. And so he made it into a giveaway. And I will just put everything on the desk. And I want some very, very nice American or very nice locks. Alright, so got this book. This one is empty. So first, US mail, locks and keys. Oops. And I'm coming to this. This was in here. So this book is very, very nice. Thank you so much. I know Dusty and Wendy got the same book. And he really likes it. So that's good for my collections. We'll have a good place, a good home. Very nice. Thank you so much. So US mail locks and keys, 1813 to 2000. And here's the ISBN number if you want to get one of these books. Alright. Thank you, Starry. I really enjoyed this one. So before we come to the locks, he also added one of this Lockmaster credit card picks. And this one is the one made by Talent Pick and Locknoob. I will not break it apart because I might really take it in my wallet. Basically got everything you need here. Thank you so much for this one. Oh, they also got a Y wrench. Nice. That's very cool. Oh, okay. So we got everything in here. Not too big, not too heavy. I will put that one in my wallet for my tours. Alright, so I got 4 locks here, and I will very carefully open it because Starry made notes on them, like labels. Because I wouldn't. Well, I guess I could do research in the book now. Be very careful here, because I don't want to screw this one up. Ooh, oh my god. What? Or even what is this? Original. It's original LA key. And we got a US mail 1918 to 1991, page 33. 2 keys, original and a homemade. So let's go on page 33. Starry, I'm really amazed with your postal collection. So 33. Wow. So we got it here. 5 levers with standard for lock and patient, blah. LSD locks were used for locking pouches in which first-class mail was being transported to a US post office. Very nice. Thank you. Wow. I guess I will never pick it, but it's the original key. Very nice. Didn't know you can homemade this. I don't know if I will ever try to pick it, but let's see. Cannot really like. I have to untangle the stuff. I'm doing something wrong. I feel it's open, but now it's open. Very nice. Very nice. Wow, that's pretty cool lock. I've never seen something like that. So can I just lock it, or do I have to like put the ring down? You know, like with a pouch. Ah yeah, you have to. It's like an auto lock. I have to work with this one. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I guess when you push this one down, it will lock. Yeah. So it's like if you have a pouch and you press it in, then it locks. Very nice. Thank you so much. It's a cool lock. Very cool lock. Okay, so no, I will not open this. Yeah, I will open this one. Why not? I don't know what's in here. We blacked it out. So we got here Reg'd US Mail, 1918 to 99. Page 39. Thank you for marking all the stuff. I wouldn't know shit about it. So thank you so much for doing this. This will need to find a good spot on my wall. I will like need something to put it in, or I don't know. I will do something. It's very well wrapped and taped. I don't want to break anything. It would be a shame. So I guess it's now it should come out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, look at this. Look at this key. Look at this key. It's huge. What is it, like a waiver lock? How does it work? Wow. Sounds like a clock. Listen to it. Oh no, there are numbers on it? Oh, you can see how... Look at this. See that? The number? Every turn. You probably can reset it, I guess. And now I got it turned 49 times. So you know how often it was opened. Wow. Wow. That's pretty cool. 39. Let's go there. Check it out. There they are. Breast case and shackled 3-pin tumbler. Stamped registered lock. ABE. I got an S. All of those use standard issued registered key. It's all the same. Every key. Look pretty. They look all the same. So it appears they have all the same key. It's believed that the S, R, and VS were the last produced after 71. made without the window frame. We got the window frame. These locks were used by post office and clerks in handling domestic registered mail. Okay, very, very cool. This is an amazing lock. And this key is huge. Very, very beautiful. Thank you so much for this one. I like stuff like this. It's just amazing. Alright, let's get into this one. This looks like a regular key. I don't know what's in here. It is a mail lock. I'm glad Starry took the time and like put all the notes on the stuff. I wouldn't have any clue what I'm looking at. So it looks like another mail. No, it's not a standard key, it's not a regular key. I was wrong. Wow. Okay, you put it in an extra pack. Street letterbox lock. Ah, okay. Cool. So you got this little strange key. So I guess you put in. Oh, there. You got some levers or pins or something you push in, and then I guess when you push them in, it opens. Let me see if I can open. So it's page 29. Got a street letterbox lock, United States Metro. Okay, US mail. Alright, so let's see if I can open this one. I don't want to cut. I don't want to cut the rope here. I'm gonna try to really carefully it could be that I use. I will get it. Well, maybe I will do it later. This is like a tweezer or something, I don't know. Alright. Beautiful lock. Thank you so much. Oh, we have to go on page 29. Sorry. Ah, look, they blocked the key here on that page. They blocked it on all. Nice. 29. So we got this one. Street letterbox. Number 12 now, but originally was 26. So there's a number on it, looked like. We got a number 114. Alright. Pretty cool. 103 here. 5 lever locks with 25 number combination from 101 to 125. So we got the 114. So I guess they lock like the mailboxes outside. Pretty cool. So last one, last not least. Let's see what we got. Well, I guess this one will not be. This is cuttable. And I guess this is also pickable. Do not duplicate. It goes in deep. Damn it. It only turns like this, only a little bit. I need a long pick for this one, if I want to pick it. So what we got here? We got a 7-pin lock made for Australian post by Agressor of Sydney, Australia. That's a pretty... That's a long, long lock. So is this a pin too? I'm not sure I can pick this one right now, but I do want to stick a pick in it. I just did a pick. I just stick the pick in it, but you know what I mean. I want to just feel it under a little tension, see what's happening. This is a real fun unboxing, I have to say. Starry, thank you so much. This is so amazing what you sent me. Is that already? No, it's not. Wait. I have to pick a counterclock. Okay. So we need to pick it counterclockwise. Let's see if I can do it like this. I really have no feeling. That doesn't work as I expected, to be honest. It's very strange. You know what? You're not seeing me picking this one right now, but I do see me okay. So I'm getting this one. So I have to set the focus again. So I'm getting like this. That means that's the last pin here. Alright. I would say, yeah, about so if you remove these screws, I don't know if I should do this, but if this fails, Starry knows never to send me stuff again. That will not fail. This is so much fun. This package is so much fun, I have to say. I have to tell you guys, it's really really lightens the mood today. So I guess we have to be careful, because when we remove this one, taking off the block here, I don't want to break it. Ow! So the first pin is this one. See that? I have to. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. I wanna got it. Oh, come on. Well, I have to take a quick break because my wife wants something. I'll be right back. Alright, back. So, let's open this one up here. A little C-clip remover tool. And while I was at it, I got my followers. So here we got the core. Let's see how it looks. Come on. Can't you focus? Okay. It's a little sticky. Should have my tweezers here also. Somewhere. Well, they're probably still upstairs, but doesn't matter. You don't need it. We'll not put it back together on the tape here. So this is also a little small one. Let me zoom out a little again. Shit. So these are all standard pins here. Pretty heavy material, I have to say. Pretty bulky. 7-pin core. And this is last pin, number 7. I'm just deep in on pin 7. So let's see what we find in here. Standard. I'm not taking the spring out if I don't have to. Also standard. 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 They look all the same on the size. So I guess I did not have enough tension on it. And it's all the same. So here we got this Australian 7-pin lock. It's all standard pins. So I will give it a try, pick it later. This is a strange key. It's Aggressor Sydney. Sorry. Well, Starry, thank you so much for supporting the community with your Shoutout Mondays. And thank you for sending me all the stuff from the giveaway. It might be a little longer video today, but I think it's worth it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.